Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Coinbase application. If you've recently downloaded the Coinbase application and you'd like to sign up to a new account, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your Coinbase application from your app drawer. If you've not downloaded the app, make sure you have it first. From the first interface of Coinbase, if you already have an account, simply tap on the sign in button at the bottom. But if you'd like to sign up for a new one, tap on get started. Now, go ahead and create an account for yourself by entering your personal information in the text boxes below. Start by typing in your first name in the first text field and then your last name on the next. Make sure to type in a valid email address that you'd like to use for your account. After you're done, head over to the password field, create a new password for your account. Make sure to use 8 characters minimum included in your password. You can double check your password by tapping on this little eye icon before moving on, and then tap on this little box right beneath that says, I certify that I am 18 years of age or older. You'll also be agreeing to the user's agreement and privacy policy by checking on this little box. Now, finally tap on Create Account at the bottom. Now, on the next page, you'll need to verify your email address. Simply go and tap on Check My Inbox box in order to end up in your email inbox. You'll be able to open up your email inbox. Simply tap on the email that you received from Coinbase and verify your email address by tapping on Verify Email Address. Now, tap on the Start button at the bottom in order to verify your identity. You can secure your account with 2-step verifications, which will require your mobile number. Tap on the Continue button and add in your mobile number on the next page in order to enable the 2-step verification on your Coinbase app. Select your country code from the drop-down and then type in your phone number. Make sure to type in the valid phone number and tap Continue at the bottom. Now, wait for a 7-digit code. Simply copy the code that has been received on your phone number and type it in the text box. Tap Continue and you are verified by Coinbase. Tap on Let's Go. Turn on instant notifications so that you will be notified when something important happens, like your balance changes or if there is a security alert. Or you can also skip the step for now by tapping on Skip for Now, but I would like to turn on my notifications. And soon after you do that, you have successfully signed up for Coinbase. That is how it is done. You'll land in the home page of Coinbase, which looks like this. It's pretty easy to sign up for Coinbase. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.